Jesus Christ is a stranger in Africa, you will definitely pack your load and go.
Ke video ke bnai, bagi ni ki bishop, ki bana pok kari Nigeria, kilai lomlang, hakata ke jaka, bat kilai rai, ban thang no, ya ka kot ba, namar ba, kingat lane kiong, ba u Jesus Christ, udai ubakai, u Jesus Christ, dan hang ne hapok ke Afrika jongi. Balada u Jesus Christ udan shisha, kamot udai ban la, ban pinjam, ya ki breu, ki bapang har-harukam, hakane ke jok mynta, bat kham tam, ya kitu ki breu ki baduk, bat ki bomla ban seo dakador, ban pinjam, ya ka jingpang jongki ki ba lahe. Bat ya kini baro, lakren, daute bishop, hakate ke jingyalomlang jongki. Bat kene ke Jingjia ru, kade ke barang sujia shanhi mentau bnai Oktober, usnam arajar arpuar, hapo kate ke ri Nigeria. Bat pej hina mapi ya kene ke video, unnembun ketien chu nanga.
Jesus Christ is a stranger in Africa, you will definitely pack your load and go. We are telling you today to pack your load and go. All those evil havoc you have been committing in our community, committing in Nigeria, committing in Africa. We tell you, Jesus Christ, pack your things and go. That you and all your followers, all your agents, that you people are fake. Those fake miracles that you people are doing state manage, it is fake. We know it's fake. So if you know you can heal any sickness, Jesus Christ, we are putting this question to you. If you can heal any sickness, if your reverend fathers can heal any sickness, if they can heal any person that is sick, if they can cure any sickness, let them come and meet us on the 1st of November in Irua Specialist. I challenge all the reverend fathers, I challenge all the apostles, they should come so that they can heal any kidney patient there, they can heal any person that have liver problem, any person that have kidney problem, any person who is sick, so that they will just pray and the person will get up and go home without paying anything again from the hospital. So I want you people to come and I'm challenging every of you. You say you can raise up the dead. Yes, come there. They will bring out a dead person for you all to pray and let the person walk. You say Jesus Christ can give us life. Yes, we will look for one dead transformer so that you stretch your hand on it and pray for the transformer so that the transformer will give us light. So put on the light. They tell you that Bible did not burn. If you put it like this, it will not burn. But when you tear it one after the other, it will burn. So the Bible is just like other novel. If you carry any other book and put it just like this, it will not burn, it burn because it come together. So as they come to Africa, come to Nigeria, kill our mother, use our children to feed newborn baby. You can see this little child here now, this little child. If it is in abroad, they will be paying this child. So they put us in zero condition. So we don't want that.